Latest of our demonstrations. This is brought to you by Laticrete. Laticrete Wrap. Tell us a little more about the company, when it was established, where, of course, it is headquartered. We're joined by Mr. Soman P. Thank you very much indeed for being with us, Mr. Soman. And tell us about the company. When did it establish?
Laticrete basically is a USA company established in the year of 1956, and our headquarters are in Bethany, quite close to New York. Over a period of these 56 years, company has got almost 15 manufacturing units all over the world, including the Middle East. This Middle East operation started in 2003 for catering and servicing for the Middle East and African regions, and also East European countries. First, we will be demonstrating our new product that is called as Laticrete Hydroband. Laticrete Hydroband is a single component liquid applied waterproofing system which does not require any fabric on the field, posts, joints and corners. As all of us know, that waterproofing is a very critical application. If any damage occurs, the entire construction of the building or the swimming pool will go in vain, and whatever time and energy we have spent on this one will be a waste actually. The surface can be concrete, gypsum board, cement backer board and any masonry units. First, remove all the dirt, loose particles, oils, paints, any other sealers, curing products applied onto this surface. Temperature is more than 35 degrees centigrade, we have to cool it down. A wet sponge, the water has to be squeezed out. There should not be more water. And the advantage of this product is it can be applied onto the concrete as well as metal pipes and PVC pipes. So all of us can see he's cleaning it very clearly, removing all the loose particles like dirt, powders, etc. This is the material. This is the finished pack of this material, Hydroband. As I told you, it can not only onto the concrete, it can be applied onto the pipe fixtures like PVC pipes, steel pipes, etc. Single application only. No other required, no fabric or any other sealants are required. After the second coat, the finished surface will be about 0.5 to 0.8 mm thickness only. Now we will be showing our second product, that is lacquer epoxy treated stone adhesive. First, the surface onto which we are going to fix, which is going to receive this adhesive, has to be cleaned properly. These materials are available as part in 2 containers as well as in cartridges. For applying with the cartridges, we require a gun. Is cleaning the back of the tile, removing the loose particles with a wire brush. Any loose particles, any additive, any contaminants, generally, all of us know that create the bond inferior. And the consistency of the mix has to be like this way. It has got a setting time of almost 30 to 40 minutes depending on the temperature and the wind. If we applied on a glass, yes, these are the products. Basically, these products are from USA. All these products are as per ANSI standards, and we are also meeting and exceeding British standards, European norms as well as ISO norms.
These products are basically used in most of the buildings, particularly Hydroband, the product in the Emirates and around the Middle East and Africa. These products, particularly Hydroband, if you want, you can have project reference in Burj Khalifa. If you go outside, there is a pool there. When you enter there, that's done by Hydroband. And also inside the lobby, there's a water feature. That's also done. There are different different type of small jacuzzis and swimming pools inside the Burj Khalifa. You'll find that. That's the most challenging project in the world at the moment, to have the water feature and the swimming pools on very high elevated floors.